Alrighty, here we go, nice and easy. So what we got here is the new cabinet quota, completely rewritten in C# on the .NET framework 4.7, which means this should be compatible with Windows 7 and above. It's definitely compatible with Windows 10 and 11. Now, it's a self-contained program, so all you've got is the one executable at the moment. Hit the start button, loads up. Bit of intro, click anywhere to begin, current release and features, press anywhere, and here we go. So from here we got about, again, a little bit more information and the exports part list up there. We'll come back to this one. So here we got cabinet amount, 1 at the moment, so we'll just do 1. We want the pre-milling on because the edge bander has pre-milling or not. So from here, after that we got door parameters. Material thickness is 18 mil, completely changeable to whatever you want. You can scroll or you can just punch in the numbers, no dramas. Hinges per door, handles per door, door amount. From there on, we've got the horizontal split. This is more for the calculator, meaning that if I pull up this picture here, so if we go horizontal split, it will be across the horizon. So the doors will be this way, down, down, and up. If it was vertical, it will be exactly like in the picture. This is for the part calculator. Now, after that, we have the actual size of the cabinet itself. So the overall cabinet. So we got the height from here to here, then we got the width from here to here, and then we got the depth from here to here. This also includes the door. So the door that sits on the front of it. This is where it's important to have the material thickness correct. Perfect. From here we got carcass thickness, so the thickness of the actual carcass. Australia standard is 16 mil, but I mean sometimes it varies, or some people I've seen them use 18 mil for whatever reason. Just more options. Anyway, after that we got the shelf amount. So let's say this one has 3 shelves like this on the inside. Rail instead of top panel means it's going to have a rail like in the picture instead of a panel that is exactly the same as the top. Just like, for example, overhead cabinets would have. So I'll go rail instead of top panel, and we'll go here, add cabinet. Comes up here, cabinet number 1. The amount is 1 because we only want to do one of this size. Clearly, we didn't put any sizes at the moment, which is not very good. So let's do that now. Do this one, 600, 800. Let's go 800 depth. What you'll notice is there is no way to clear this at the moment. So what we'll do is I'll just go start it up again. Come back over here, perfect. Again, this is very bare bones. So let's do our cabinet, 600 high. I want it 800 wide, and we'll do 800 deep. We want 2 shelves. This is a very wide monitor, and I want a rail instead of a panel. We're going to hit the cabinet, so you see here part name. There's 2 sides of this size. Because I don't actually have the facility to test cutting out the panels, any feedback would be nice. If it is calculating correct from what I've been looking at, it should be, but again, test, let me know, I'll fix it. Alright, back to this cabinet amount. Let's say I want to do 3 cabinets. I want to do them in this size. Let's change this around. Let's go carcass thickness, shelf amount is this time 1. We're going to go doors, we'll do 2 doors. We'll go vertical split, so it's going to be door this way. Perfect, so we go add. Cabinet 2, there's 3 of them. Handles for this is 6, hinges 12 in total, each panel bit by bit. So you got 1 cabinet of this and 3 cabinets of this, and this is the total carcass, meters squared, edge tape in meters, door edge tape, door material, total amount of hinges, total amount of handles. Perfect. So from here what we do is we just go export part list. It will generate it in exactly the same folder. So I can just close this and open the folder for you. So there's 2 files here. They're exactly the same. One's a text file. This is for people that don't have Excel. So we'll break it up into components, nice and easy. Or if we go to CSV file, which is just normal Excel, gets it a little bit more easier. So if you want to play around and make your own spreadsheet and whatever you want to adjust, it's just easy. I think that's it for the moment.